Sandra here from Create in Spain. Today's project is a nice, relatively easy Christmas card. So I've got a standard card base, A6, because I'm in the EU. And what I've got here is some laminating pouch, which I just put some little sequiny type things in it and then laminated it. Now I tend to make this in whole sheets and then cut it down for what I want to use. This time I was using a scrap, and yeah, it goes through the laminator really happily and you get a really nice finish. Now the thing is, if you're going to be considering doing something like a shaker card, maybe you don't want to do those if you've got children in mind because of little things that they could get out of there and swallow, etc. So this gives you the kind of effect that you might get with a shaker card. Okay, they don't move, but they're suspended. It's just another way of doing things. So my cutout I'm going to use is this one. So this is going to go on top of here, but before I do that, I want to put a sentiment on. And the reason I want to do it beforehand is because I've chosen to cut my sentiment from heat transfer vinyl. This happens to be a Siser one, and I was able to cut this on my laser, but obviously if you're using a Juliet or a Romeo, you can cut it out quite happily. And what I want to do is to make sure I line it up in the right place. So if I put this on the back of there, like so, it doesn't have to be too precise, but then I kind of put the Merry Christmas where I want it, make sure that it is straight. I mean, that would be a good idea. Because the transfer tape is slightly sticky anyway, it's just going to stay on there. Get my piece of baking parchment, put it in like so, and then just put it through the laminator again. So now I can position the frame on there, and then I'll be able to stick it onto my card base. So I'm just going to use double-sided tape to do that, and I can just put it onto the card. This card has come out pretty well. Now if you need to, you can always put some adhesive behind the Christmas trees and things. I don't think it's absolutely necessary. Now the good thing with this card is that although you've got dimension in it, it's still very flat for postage. You're not going to end up with extreme costs for posting that. Be like a normal card. That is the snag with shaker cards these days. They're fine if you're giving them to people that you're seeing. If you're going to post them, you're going to pay through the nose for it, which is a pain, but yeah, it is what it is. So there we have it. I hope you like the card. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you again soon. Take care now.